Using Citation helps us on a day-to-day basis with our business. With the areas of health and safety, HR, we feel confident in the fact we're doing the right things, and if things do go astray, we know where to go to ask the question. It just gives you that reassurance that we're running the business as most effective as we can. The advantage for our employees using Citation is they have a really easy and quick platform to do any of their HR needs. They can find their contracts, they can find our policies, they can see their handbook, they can book their holidays. It's all in one place. It's a very easy to use system. We had only joined Citation about 2 months, and we had an example of fraud. I phoned Citation and spoke to them and asked them about what to do, how to go through the process, etc. They were such a useful resource. They gave us very, very clear advice on what to do on the day, and then subsequently all the time and that after there. If I hadn't had Citation there, I'm not certain what we'd have done, and we probably definitely wouldn't have done the right thing. Citation is very good value for money. To employ ourselves, the amount of experience, resources, and people and that for the information is provided, we would need offices twice as big as we've got. Having access to them is pure gold. The big benefit I'd found with both HR and the health and safety is we're very busy people. We often wear many hats. So trying to keep up with changes, trying to keep up with the things that are happening in employment law, health and safety law, best practice, all of these things is really difficult. We use Citation for that, to keep us up to date. We get feeds come through, so we didn't even have to go looking for it. They send us information through, and it gives me confidence that I'm on the right track. I wholeheartedly recommend Citation to any other business to use for either accreditation, health and safety, HR, definitely.